like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you
Okay, so this is the log house that we're gonna marry to. We're gonna hook into that house right there, to the little cabin. It's a stick frame log house is what this actually is. And all this whole porch is gonna come off here. This part might stay, a portion of it, but up here are our logs. So there are logs. And there's the boss man. Say hello, boss man.
Hello, boss man.
Oh, okay. See, we all know who's the boss. Anyways, those are the logs all underneath there, and they're already notched for us so that we can stack them. See, they're already rolled and all done up like that. This is what it's going to look like when we're all done. So these are all big old posts on the side. I can't wait to do this part here. Pretty interesting. Okay, today is log trimming day. We're going to take our logs over here. These are all for the corners and the doors and the windows. And we're going to use this mill right here. And we're going to continue to cut them down like this. This is because the house is going to be stick framed with log corners and all for the window framing and for the doors and things like that. So we have to have a flat side on two sides of it so that the stick frame, the 2x6, can mount to it and be the big part of the framing of the house and everything. So we got this awesome little mill here. We've already got a couple of them done, and we'll fire it up in a little bit and we'll show you how it works. Fun, fun. Hola, and good morning to all. Well, this is day 12 on this project out here in the woods, building this log house. And it's going to be a beautiful week. Today is a Monday, and this is supposed to be a beautiful week here in Western Washington. The sun is just coming up right now. I usually get to the job site before everybody else, just the way I do things. And it gives me a chance to walk around and see what we're going to do for the day. Even though I'm not in charge, which I really so enjoy not being in charge. I don't have to sleep about things or worry about things in my sleep. it's just nice to not be in charge. Anyways, let me show you what we've got done. So I'll spin around a little bit. Here we go. Now we're equal to the little house here. And this is the upstairs to the building. And we will later be taking part of this wall off to connect us to this building. And what we're going to be doing today is installing some of those logs way up there on their pressure points. And what the pressure point parts are now are, you can see the corners. So we're going to be setting corners. We're going to be setting in for the windows. Everywhere you see an upright is what we're going to be doing today, working on at least with the boom truck. So it's just myself and Josh out here. Bruce is supposed to come out today. He's going to operate the boom truck for us, and we're going to move along. I know it's been a little while since we've made a video. Hope everybody's doing well, being safe. Terry and I are doing great. She is at home at her mom's house with her and her little sister working on mass for a lot of people out here. As you can see, this is the view. I'm pretty sure when the people get out here, they will take the little alders out and they'll have a beautiful view of the water down there. We have been invited to come, and we can park our camper down here and actually stay out here for the build. The owners of the project said no problem doing that. We just haven't done that yet because of Terry is busy working on these masts. They've been working on it for 2 weeks now. And that's kind of why we haven't really done too much. I've been out here working, and she's working on that. Let's show you downstairs. Now, I didn't build these stairs this time. My partner did. That's why they're so nice. A wall we're going to tilt up in here. We ended our day on Friday and didn't feel like finishing that up. There's always more to do. And you can see inside here. This is going to be a bedroom, bathroom back there. This is going to be a workout room. This is kind of a living room. This is the garage down here underneath the stairs. So it's kind of an interesting day. Hopefully we get a bunch of these uprights tilted and everything. Hola! Another day and a little bit of successful tilting of the post. Check it out. Got them all around.
See the narrator too?
And Joshua's gonna fire up the truck. This is Mr. Bossman Bruce. He's in charge of this whole project. And you can see we got all our big standing posts up. Now we're gonna lift some of these bigger beams that are gonna go across there.
BW Log Homes, don't forget.
What is it? What is it called?
BW Log Homes.
BW Log Homes, right here in Kitsap County. Yeah. Josh's gonna fire up the truck. We're gonna lift some beams, our roof, our eave beams. So it's coming along. These are all the beams that you seen Josh and I mill the other day. I love it when we go up in the air. All right, let's check it out. find you all well. It's been a hard time for us all. I got back to work here just a little while ago when they lifted the non-work thing. So we're still at this log house. If you look out this way, you can notice that, boy, a lot more green and the water's disappeared. It's the time of year in Washington State. Everything's getting growing, and I'm about ready to get out of here. Anyways, today's going to be my last day on this project, and I just want to show you where we're at before I amscrate here. Still a lot more work here, a lot more logs going up in the air, but I'll show you what we've done so far. I'm actually standing in what'll be the master bedroom. There'll be a porch out here all the way down the whole front of the house, so you can see the logs up in the air. So this is considered a log house with stick frame walls. Back in here will be the, let me move this thing around. Back in here is the bathroom. So we still have some more walls to do, but we're waiting for the shower to be delivered and the tub to be delivered before we can close it all off. This awesome little archway that my buddy Joshua built, and he built that one over there. The staircase down below to the basement, which is also living quarters. This will be the dining room in here. So you can see what we do with the logs. And it's all going to be clear story up top. So the next thing to do is we've ordered logs that'll run our purlins that go up in the air. But like I said, this is my last day. I'm ready to get on the road. And actually, I'll probably be back here in a few months. And if Joshua will let me come to work with him again, he'll probably still be on this project, and I'll come back out and work with them. It's bittersweet to come home, see your friends, and leave, but we're on our way to go see our other friends. So I guess I'm blessed that way to have so many friends, but I've had such a wonderful time here with Joshua and all my friends here in town. But anyways, we're gonna get on the road and go see our other friends. So thanks again, Joshua, for let me come and work with you, brother. Love you. Peace out. Hola! Oh, start over. Almost choked on. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. There's my sexy brother. Say hello.
Hola.
Perfect. We all love you. GoPro, stop recording.